tried this after almost 2 years. Love it. Currently I'm at Freshco and we are for grocery shopping. It's my first time shopping in Canada and it's going good. Peace out. It's day 2 in my room or Canada in general, and the weather is quite monsoony, I don't know. Okay, so yesterday I went to get boba tea, bubble tea. I had it after 2 long years and I was missing it so badly, but I love it. If you would have asked my friend who was with me, he would have known like how many times I said, oh my god, akilo must, oh my god. Okay, anyways, Pachi, we went to get groceries from Freshco or whatever it is. I'm new, so ignore the spellings and pronunciations. And yeah, we bought fruits and vegetables and animoti khawani groceries, and we'll cook from today, so be ready for more cooking vlogs now. Okay, I hope you learn a lot from me because मैं mostly focus कर is cooking, hacks and my life in Canada in general. So please subscribe if you haven't, because I need support to do bigger and better. So I thought of giving you a small home tour or whatever it is called. Here is the kitchen and this is the drawing room. And wait, don't look down. See, this is the balcony and we are living somewhere in this kind of buildings and it's pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty much this big. Yeah, but one thing, it looks good on videos and pictures. If you live here, you'll know how old is this building. Probably 50 years old, like. So building खड़केली है, वो balcony बताइए तो खबर पड़ी जैसे. Okay, चलो, I'll eat this. कल रात का burrito bowl. God, look at this. Roti, Paratha and Sabji. कितने सारे लोग प्लेट 2 है और इंसान बनाने वाला एक है. I'm at Taco Bell. I had Taco Bell after years. वो मजा आई गई. Like time lapse मुकेश ने खबर पर से भूखड़ा नहीं जैम खाती थी. Like this is the reality that nobody shows. So yeah, it's not gold and glitter. Being in Canada, you have to work hard. You have to do everything on your own. So this is how you do laundry when you are living in a building and it's a common laundry. So you'll have to have this card. You'll have to pay balance in it and then you can use it. Thank you. कोई नहीं भणवानु છે. Hi, this is the best birthday. Like, no, I'm kidding. I never had exams and tests on my birthday, but everything is changing.